Hello, so I have just downloaded the ISO image of Kwort 433, which is a CRX based Linux distribution. So this is the home page, and I have image ISO image 889 MB, and let's create a new VirtualBox image Kwort 4333, and this one will be other Linux. Next I will give 4 GB RAM to this. Next create hard disk will be like 20 GB is enough. Create, and let's mount the ISO image, which is this one, and okay, start this, and in the meanwhile it is starting. Okay, without KMS, no, we need with KMS. Enter. Decompressing, blah blah blah. In case you need to download the ISO image, you can just go to official website kwort.org. Then you can see some of the description and updates. Linux kernel is 4.1.440, GCC version and pinutils, and here is the ISO image link, and downloads. In case you need to download the previous versions, older releases, you can download from here. Close, and then let's see here. So OS, during the installation you can type help install to see this message again. Kwort has no installation system. The below steps describe how to install. Okay, configure your partition table if you haven't done it already. Hint, you can use fdisk. Okay, GPD you can use. Okay, create a file system with the mount. You run the package, install the command, install the packages. Steps you use to completely boot it out. Okay, should change the cable during the I think so. This is a live one. It doesn't have any GUI. Seriously. Called KPG GTK tool. Open Windows Manager. So configure partition table if you haven't done already, and you can use fdisk, cfdisk, fdisk. Mount your file system, making installation to your root. Mount the installation media cable device, not on the mount to the. This is a tough one, man. System is coming down, please wait. Okay, let's see without KMS. Without KMS. Okay. Decompressing. What is KMS? You can set up LVM. Okay, let's see what's here. So okay, I will mount the media. Mount the file system, making install to your root mount point. Where is pkgs install? Let's see, we can install it. Is it really installing? No. Okay, let's do Google Kwort GUI display. Let's see this video, how to install. Configure your partition table if you haven't done that already. In order to do that, you can set up LPM. Okay. This will take some time, so this is how to install it, and I will upload this video by doing the same some another time, but I will have to test it by myself without telling you. Okay, so for now I'm going to shut down this power machine and say goodbye to you. Bye bye.